So the idea is that everybody, of course, is voting, and everybody's vote is the same. So whether you are the driver of the Chief Minister, or you're the security guard of the Chief Minister, or you're the Chief Minister himself, everybody has one vote. And so it is important that every single individual should cast their vote. And hence I have asked my driver, my security personnel, that they don't need to worry too much. I'll drive myself and I'll go to the polling station, and security also, we will take the local security from Tura, or those who have already casted their vote. And I would want every single individual in my staff to show that they go and cast their vote, and hence I decided to drive myself to the polling station today.